Hi, this is Jim Pinkham, MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-997-2168. Today, let's take a look at a 2020 210 Cruiser by Harris. This 210 Cruiser is in the gray interior. It's got the gray seagrass decking floor. This boat has got a 10-year warranty front to back, 3 years on the engine. It's powered by a Mercury 150 4-stroke engine. It is a tri-tune. Has your 4-step boarding ladder, all stainless steel. Ski tow bar on the back. Has the extended swim deck with pop-up cleats. Easy access on the side entry. Tilt steering wheel. All of your gauges are very easy to read right in the middle. Has a depth finder, JL audio stereo system. Plenty of storage on this boat. Plenty of cup holders, plenty of speakers. This is the 2020 210 Cruiser by Harris. This 2020 210 Cruiser by Harris is at MarineMax Lake Norman. Again, I'm Jim Pinkham at 704-997-2168. Come on by and let's take a look.